All right, let's see. We're doing a little test stream here. A little test stream. Let's see how it goes. This internet's pretty trash, so I'm not quite sure it's gonna work out very well.
Yes. I know what I do. You know what?
All right, we'll see how this works here. I'm gonna do a little test here for a few minutes. I'm gonna watch it on my end too and see. Hold on, let me see how bad it is.
There's a Harbor Freight store in your neighborhood.
Just doing a little test stream. What up, Discipline? Tell me if this thing's lagging. This internet's pretty trash, so. Yeah, I can already see I'm freezing. Are we freezing already? That on your end seems all right. I may, you know what? I might switch over. I'm on this microphone, but I think it's picking up like too much kind of background noise. Let me switch over to my headphones right quick. No, I didn't. Lost fitting, nothing like that. What up, Coach Fred? I got Maverick here. He's over here. He's gonna be making noise, but you know, hey, that's just kids. That's what they do. We're just testing this out to see. Let me put this other one in and see how it sounds. You guys can tell me. Alright, let me change the microphone and let's see if it's how different it is. Where did I change the mic at? Alright, I changed it over here. It's a little bit too loud. Let me see here. All right, testing. Which one's better? What do you guys think? I think this one's probably better. It seems like it's going to pick. It's a lot more noise canceling, I think. I mean, obviously, you're still going to be able to hear them, but you have a couple of trades that had a really great day. The song Far Away, the audio is a bit too far away. Yeah, you're still going to be able to hear them, but I do think this is probably going to be the better option. Just use the microphone on this. Probably makes sense. Let me know if the stream is lagging or anything for you guys. I forgot my camera, and I'm in a hotel, so I forgot my camera, and I also, I don't know, I just didn't figure this hotel would be, this internet would suck this bad. It's pretty bad. What up, Timbo? The internet is pretty bad. What do we do tonight? Let me see. I haven't even looked at the chart. So we pushed up. So yeah, where was the afternoon low at? It's like right. This is the afternoon low, so we never got below that. And then the PM high is really, we're approaching the PM high now, right? Yeah, it's right there. So really would probably been kind of a no trade for me right in this middle of this range. Because where was the open? Sounds better. Thank you, Bravo. Did I hear correctly that tomorrow Supreme Court makes a decision on the tariffs? I have no idea. Of course, Coach Fred. Of course. Husk is always trying to steal the spotlight. You know, he just can't do it. Nah, I'm just kidding. Husk will be on My Fun of Futures TV in place of me on Monday, just so you guys know. I have a doctor's appointment to finally get my shoulder looked at, so Husk will be replacing me on My Fun of Futures TV on Monday. I'll be there tomorrow. 7:20:50. I'm gonna attempt to stream in the morning, but as long as it's not lagging too bad, I don't mind doing it. I mean, right now it feels to be working okay, I guess. I know the camera's probably not great, but that's all right. Change your 8 hours time frame to 12 hours. You see the big picture. Let's go. Oh, I look better too. Let's go, Bravo. I look kind of like I can see myself like blinking from the TV flashing off me. I got the Miami Ole Miss game on. Looks like Miami's up 17-13 right now. Did Ole Miss just miss a field goal? Oh, it hit the upright. Did it go through? No, it didn't. Did that go through? I don't think it did. So the decision could be a banger of a day. I mean, it could also rip your face off, right? From that theoretical standpoint there, it could rip your face off. Sorry guys, I forgot I wasn't even looking at the chart. I don't know, not much you could do here. Like, what do you do? I mean, if you kind of got above here, I mean, I don't know. We opened up above it, and then we didn't hold it. That PM high. Man, this is a pretty big range, isn't it? For tonight. I guess it's, well, 94 points. Yeah, that's better than the last two nights. That's for sure better than the last two nights. I kind of look like the torso serial killer. I don't know who that is. Why? Because I got my glasses on. Oh yeah, I forgot to take my glasses off. You know. I'm told that the sexiness goes up 10x with the glasses on. I don't know. That's what I've been told. That's what I'm gonna tell everybody. So it's a serial. All right, hold on then. Let me make some changes. Yeah, Oracle. I'm at a hotel right now, but the internet's back on. Let's make some changes then, since you guys see. Okay, there we go. There we go. Does this remind you? There we go. What about that? Is that better? That's the better option right there, isn't it? That's the better option. With a late night stream? No, I'm not. I'm not, Jan. I'm not going to be on very long. I just jumping on to see if I could actually stream from this crappy internet or not. I'm in Del Rey. I came down to visit my friend Stuart, help him with a little project at his condo. So we're in Florida. What up, Yonix? Yeah, he needs help mounting a couple of TVs, and he's too stupid to do it himself. He needs my expertise. Oh, I shouldn't call him too stupid. Come on, that's rude. What's wrong with me? I'm such a good friend. Such a good friend. So, but yeah, we're not really looking to take any trades tonight. Just more or less seeing if this would work. Is he paying for my hotel, John? I wish. That's $800 we'll never see again. No, he's not paying. I mean, I did mention he tried to tell me earlier. He was like, "Hey, you got me on the materials, right?" And I was like, "What? Hell no, I don't got you on the materials. You got to pay for those." He said, "Come on, bro." It's like I'm already down here doing this stuff for free. So, what up, Futures Trader? We might do something. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a little vlog action tomorrow. We'll get Stuart in the vlog since he hasn't been in there in a while. we'll show you guys what we do with mounting the TV. It's not cable. It's not not cable. It's not trading related, but hey, it'll be something different, right? So, Alexi, I wanted to get on and say hey to you. I was like, I'm hoping Alexi gets on just so I can say hey. So, collect the insurance, set it fire. Oh, I don't know. This condo, I think he purchased. I think his mom purchased this condo in 1984. So I'm quite sure they're doing just fine on it. But yeah, the value. I mean, it's not a huge value, obviously, but they paid pennies back in '84. I'm sure. So, but they're remodeling it. His mom recently passed away, maybe like 3 or 4 months ago, and he inherited the condo, so he's doing a little renovation, new floors, new paint, new appliances, stuff like that. So, plus 46 Celsius there today. Now, I don't know a lot about Celsius, but I know anything over like 30 is hot, right? Isn't 30 like 90 degrees or something? 95 degrees Fahrenheit? Yeah, Coach Fred, you're right. I mean, it's just doing what you should do. The thing is, Stuart would do anything for me. I know he would, so that's why I don't mind doing this for him. So I'm not gonna burn the condo down, Lost Penny. Don't worry. What up, Chris? Chris, where you at? That's 115. Holy cow, Alexi, you need to move. Where do you live, man? Are you in Arizona? You can't be in Arizona because it's winter here, and you said Celsius, so I can't imagine where you're at. I don't know. Where are you at? South Africa? Heading to Indiana. Let's go. You got to be somewhere. Oh, Australia. Okay. That probably would have been the second guess, but oh, you're leaving from Jersey. But yeah, anybody take any trades tonight? Anybody make any money? I mean, it looks. I mean, you kind of had that sell off. I mean, actually, it opened here. You kind of broke structure, right? I mean, this is a pretty nice little short opportunity here. You got a nice little trend line there. I don't know what it looks like on the 5. No, I'm not buying a license. I already got one. Yeah, I kind of had it there on the 5 too. Not like a clean short, but a little something. Stop telling me to buy a license. Goodness. I'm not buying one. Got a couple of points. Just dug yourself out of an $1,100 hole. Dang, Dishu. You and your partner flipped a couple of condos in New York City. You never went. It was a quick flip. Oh, okay. You never wanted to own one. Well, they own. I'm not sure what they're. They live in Boston. So there's a house in Boston. I think one in Martha's Vineyard. Martha's. I don't even know. And then this condo down here. There's 3 or 4 properties that they have. His parents, I think, made decent decisions when they were younger. So who knows? Who knows? They're doing all right. Alfred's up $147 on gold. Let's go. So, yeah, I'm not really looking to take any trades tonight. I just wanted to jump on here and see if the stream would lag or not. It seems like it's all right. Oh, let's go, Alexi. Nice job. Alexi, I hope you got a good air conditioner over there. If it's 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Hopefully you got a good air conditioner. Sounds like Vegas or Arizona in the summer here. Oh, I see a little hiccup right there. Didn't look like it was a bad one, but there was a little bit of a hiccup there. So, yeah. Well, I don't know. I don't know what they got going on down here in this condo. I mean, it's not bad. It was stuck in the 90s, that's for sure. It had like weird wallpaper in the bathrooms. I can't remember what it was. It was like some kind of weird wallpaper. I have no idea. So, what time tomorrow is that tariff decision? Do you guys know, or could it come at any time? Thank you, Omnish. Yeah, Eric, just for a few minutes. We're just kind of testing out the setup here to see how it works. See if it's okay. Yeah, I wonder what time that Supreme Court is. Yeah, exactly, Pine Tree. That's the problem. That's the exact issue. Got kicked out. I'm on the streets. I'm in the streets. What are you gonna do? Look at Beck scramble. Still didn't get to the first down, but he got close. It's like he got him in field goal range. See if they get up quick here and try to make them jump off sides. Look at the short 25, 700. Let me see. Maybe. Yeah, there's enough movement, Mike. Like, here's the thing, Mickle. I'm assuming your name's Mike. Um, I mean, we got like an 80-point range. That's tradable. So I usually just use kind of like trend lines and stuff during this time of night. I mean, if you look, we actually we broke to the downside there. Unfortunately, we didn't run the whole trend line, which makes me. I mean, that kind of gives you a little bit of insight into price action, right? It's probably not the best. But you do have this little long setup here too. It's a nice little bridge to bridge setup here. So in this scenario, you would get long here. And typically I would go with a 30-point stop, which would have put you basically at swing low, and a 30-point take profit, which it would have tagged right there. So I mean, that right there, pretty good setup. Would have actually triggered right around the top of the hour, which is nice. Let's kind of see what we had going on going into the 8 o'clock hour. Yeah, I mean, the 8 o'clock hour is kind of interesting. Normally, at that open, we kind of search for liquidity. Again, I think we still had the trend line over here that it could have ran all of, but it did run down into discount at least. So, I don't know. It might have been a tricky one tonight. So, yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I mean, if you guys are saying they're going to decide on the tariffs, I mean, listen, let's be honest with that tariff news. I mean, that could be 1,000 points one way or the other, you know? So, Skeptic, Pine Tree did not change his hours. That was Wesley. Pine Tree's hours are still 6 to 8, Thursday or Sunday through Thursday. You're welcome, Pine Tree. But yeah, he's 6 to 8, Sunday through Thursday. I've seen him live every day. So if you're not getting the notifications, maybe jump onto his channel, unsubscribe, resubscribe, and then hit the notification bell. That typically would kind of fix that. 2 months in the market dropped down 10%. Yeah, that was the time to buy when people were panicking, right? So you were trolling Twitter. Typical Pine Tree. Typical Pine Tree over there trolling Twitter. Go to sleep, Pine Tree. It's past your bedtime, man. You're supposed to be in bed 10 minutes ago. How did the inside buy do tonight? Let me look. Let me check the inside buy. You stupid license. Get out of here. All right, I don't have the indicator on, so I'm going to have to look. Nope. There's the first inside buy. It was 14 points long. Yeah, I mean, that thing banged. Well, look at that inside buy pay. What did that thing pay? Nice little 86 points. Let's go. Shorting copper, Chris. Good luck, sir. Oh, you're heading to the gym, Pine Tree? Oh, goodness. That's too late to be doing all that. I'm tired just thinking about you going to the gym. Tell you what, while you're there, do 2 workouts. One for me, one for you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Get in one for you and one for me. You witnessed the 4th loss. Oh, yeah. Dude, the thing about that, Alexi, is like if he had not been so like kind of stupid spamming the buy button there, he would have actually gotten out of that. Because like if he'd stayed reasonable, you know, then he would have gotten out of that. But You waiting for another inside buy? I think he just got tired and spammed the buy button. You was kicked out by your wife and needed a shower. Uh-oh. You could always take a whore bath, Skeptic Cash. What that is you go into the bathroom, get a little soap, and you wash the private niblets off and get the underarms. We call that a whore bath here in Georgia. I saw it on the internet or something. Actually, oh, that's right. Tom Sabo DM'd me that and told me about that. Tom Sabo said he does that on the regular. Got to get it going. If you guys are new here and you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. You're in Western North Carolina, or are you anywhere near? Darn, I'm drawing a blank. Are you anywhere near Harrah's, Cherokee? I like to go to Cherokee quite often. Bird bath, yeah, Tyson, exactly. Baby wipes work wonders in a pinch, yeah. Baby wipes, I've never tried that. 40 minutes, nice. Yeah, I head up there and play poker. Not often, but probably 5 times a year, something like that. So, waiting for the EMA break under. You looking for a short T massive or a long? I mean, it's kind of. What do you got there? Tough spot. Tough spot. Because on the one hand, you'd like this to fill the gap and maybe run up here through the highs. I think that'd be a much better short spot. But on another hand, you are at the 90s and you got a little double top action going here. So that could be a thing. It could be a thing. I don't know. You like blackjack? I'm no good at blackjack. You buy baby wipes for the case? I'm not going to ask you what you're doing with the baby wipes, Chris, other than cleaning yourself, because I know your wife's right there with you. So. We'll see, Team Massive. Yeah, I'm not good at blackjack at all. I mean, I'll play if I play blackjack, I'm gonna play like no bust blackjack. So anything 14, if I get 14 or higher, I'm just gonna stay. Everyone calling him a dinosaur for not buying crypto today. Warren Buffett still holds the top place in the finance world. Yeah. No baby on board yet. You don't stop messing around with those wipes. You're gonna have one soon. You go to Cherokee all the time? Yeah. I don't ever stay there. I'm like one of those weird people, like I don't love to stay overnight there. I kind of do the hit and run. I get in there, lose my money quick, or make money, or I don't necessarily make money quick, but 4 or 5 hours, and then we're out. Over the last 2 or 3 sessions, I'm up a few $1,000s. I think I made like $800 or $900 over the last few sessions. I actually recorded it, but it was kind of plain Jane, so I didn't even post it. I'm sleepy, guys. I didn't even post it because I couldn't record at the table and stuff. They're very strict in there. I think maybe I did post one of the videos. But I even was like sitting in a machine talking to my phone, and like I had a security guard come up and say like, "You can't record." Oh yeah, I did post that one because I put 100 on roulette. I put it 100 on black, I think, and I had my phone in my hand, and it hit, and the dealer had pushed my bet back, and I forgot. I didn't notice it. I didn't even notice it until I rewatched the video. And so he hit black, and I was like, "Yes, I won." And then I was like, "Yo, where's my bet?" And I was like, "Oh, I pushed your bet back because you had your phone in your hand." So I was pretty polite for me, because typically I probably would have cussed that person out. So And then, of course, I go to the next table, put it on the same color. I think it was black, or I don't even remember which one it was. And put it on the same color, and of course it loses. But we still gave the money away because technically it should have won. So, well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it there. Like I said, I'm not really looking to take a trade. I just kind of wanted to test the stream because the internet's pretty shit here. It's 4 up and 4 down. So if you know anything about internet, that's pretty rough. But it looks like the stream's holding pretty well. So we'll be back at 9:15 in the morning. Appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already hit the like button, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to help support the channel, code MYTH, MYTH on Apex, code MM on everything else. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll be back tomorrow.